What's up guys, this is Ronnie. Welcome back to our channel Total Technology Zone. This is tutorial 19 and today's topic will be how to chat with your S3 bucket files using LlamaIndex. Okay, so the objective of this tutorial is I will teach you how to interact or how to chat or how to get some answer from the files whatever is available within a S3 bucket. Okay, let's say your client or you have a use case where you have to read the files from a S3 bucket and after that you have to chat with them, right? So in this tutorial I will do you I will actually teach you how to do that. Okay, so before I start the tutorial, a couple of things I would like to request. So first thing is, if you are watching this video or watching my channel for the first time, then thank you for visiting my channel. Now this is the right time. You can hit the subscribe button and try to share as much as possible all the videos. And if you like some videos or if you're learning something like which is helping you to do something on your job or on your study, then please let us know, have some sort of feedback, and also don't forget to hit the bell notification icon, because your subscription and your like and your engagement will help me to grow. And the moment you guys are start engaging with my channel, YouTube is also going to promote my videos with the help of some sort of YouTube push or YouTube algorithm, and that will help me to reach large number of audience. And my ultimate goal is to reach large number of audience so that I can teach more and more people, and hopefully you guys will help me. There's a new channel, new means with respect to AI and other topics. I'm started posting videos for last 6 months, and if you go to my channel and search for playlist, you will find one playlist on LangChain. It has more than 100 videos, and this is a playlist I recently started last month, and this is on LlamaIndex, and it has 19 videos are already updated, right? So exciting times are coming. So please watch our playlist, other playlist as well, and try to actually stay tuned and focus with the topics. And if you have any question or something like that, please let us know. I'll always help you. Either it can be like from a YouTube comment, or maybe you can reach out to me directly on the Telegram channel. Okay, so enough of talking, we'll start the actual tutorial. Okay, so the tutorial objective is chat with S3 bucket file. So first thing, you have to install Boto3, and then you have to install S3fx, and after you install Boto3, you have to configure this thing. Okay, so you have to install AWS CLI. Okay, and after that you have to run AWS configure command, and you have to set this two things, and then you have to upload a file to S3 bucket, and after that you have to do the coding, right? So if you're new to AWS, then probably you have to actually learn some AWS stuff, because I'm not going to cover those things in the video, because these things are very basic. If you are familiar with AWS, all of you know, but still, if you don't want to, if you want to actually learn these AWS topics, then please let me know via some sort of comment so that I can create some tutorial on AWS as well. Okay, so, and here is the tutorial coding link. So in the GitHub you will get the source code from this URL. Okay, so now let's start working on the coding part. Before I do the coding, let me open my AWS, and in the AWS I have S3 bucket, and here I have a folder called llama tutorial org, and I have uploaded on file here. Okay, so basically it's a file which has some information or some sort of story of King Solomon. Okay, so I'll be going to create an index from this file, which is actually located inside this AWS, and after that we'll see. Okay, so start writing the code. Okay, so first thing first, from s3fs import s3fs file system, then from LlamaIndex.core import simple directory reader vector store index. Okay, done. Now what will happen, now I'll be going to actually create an s3fs client. So maybe I can give s3_fs, so client will be s3fs file system, right? Okay, and now what will happen, we'll be going to create a reader equals to simple directory reader, and it has couple of things we have to mention. So first thing first, you have to give the input directory as a bucket name, input underscore directory. So input directory will be my bucket name. So basically llama uh, tutorial AUG, right? That is the bucket name, llama tutorial AUG. Okay, right? Then we have to actually mention the file system. So file system will be s3fs, right? And just if you don't configure your AWS, then probably it will give you an error. So here, if you have multiple directories and file, so you can write recursive equals to true, right? So let's see. So it is doing something. Okay, done. So now what I'll do, I'll just going to give a wrong file, wrong bucket name, and let's see what is happening. Okay. Yeah, you'll see that input directory does not exist, right? So your bucket name has to be correct. Okay, done. Then what we do, we're just going to create a document. It's very easy, guys. Documents, it should be reader dot load underscore data, right? Done. And then what we'll do, we'll be just going to create index equals to vector store index dot from underscore documents, and inside that I'll be just going to put the documents. And before do that, I'll just going to show you guys that whether it is really able to read the documents. Okay, so let's print it. Okay, okay, so you will get some confidence that whether it is able to read or not. Yeah, so if you see here, okay, and I just want to show you guys my file name. See, this is the file name, story.txt, right? Story.txt, right? If you have two files will also going to be read. Okay. It's done. The index is created. So what I'll do, I'll just going to do this thing. Now I'll be just going to create a query engine, query underscore engine equals to index dot as query engine, right? And then what will happen, query engine dot query, and there I'll be just going to write the query. So in the query, I'll be just going to ask some question. So let's ask some question. Uh, what is the text about? Okay, so let's clean up this thing and let's see whether it is able to get this information or not. If you're going to do it from the notebook, then probably up to this point you don't have to run again and again. Yeah, just because I'm not doing it from the this thing, so yeah, obviously you have to do. Okay, let's see. Oh, I forget to print the response, sorry. Okay, the text is about the life and wisdom of King Solomon, focusing his legendary judgment, reign, and legacy. Okay, and I have a couple of questions here, so you can ask this question. Basically, I'm telling you something. I went to Chat GPT and I asked me give me some story on King Solomon, so it give me that story, and after that I asked Chat GPT give me 5 questions to be asked from the above context, and it give me this question, and now I'll be going to get the answer. So to practice or to create test data, you can easily rely on ChatGPT, right? That is how you will learn first with the help of AI. So let's see whether it is able to give me the answer or not. Yes. See, now we'll be going to ask another question. Okay, so let's ask another question. Done. So that's it. I'll be going to upload this entire directory, so you'll have the question and also you'll have the story. So I'll be going to upload the story as well. Don't worry. Okay. So that's it. I think this could be the end of this tutorial. Nothing else to be done here, right? So this is going to be a very concise and very small tutorial, but very important one, because cloud integration and AWS cloud is very important, and in that respect S3 bucket is also very important things, because mostly all the clients are right now on cloud, and if the cloud client is actually using AWS, then for data repository or some sort of like source repository, they're definitely going to use S3 bucket. So if you know S3 bucket and how to integrate with your Llama index, then probably your pipeline will be ready for ingesting data, right? Okay, so with that note, I'll be just going to conclude the video over here. But before I conclude, one more time, please subscribe to my channel, hit the like button. If you find this video valuable and helpful, please let us know by some sort of feedback, so that other people also will be able to find the video beneficial, and also this will help us to get some sort of motivation. And don't forget to hit the bell notification icon, because whatever you upload from the next time, you will directly get it in your inbox as a notification. Okay, so with that note, I'll be just going to conclude the video over here. We'll see you in the next video. Till then, take care, goodbye, and have a nice day.